Hello everyone. So in this video we will show that how can you install Dart in our Windows system. So first open up your browser in the Google, search for Dart SDK download, and you will see there have a first link called get the Dart SDK. So click on it. After that you will see there have a link for downloading the Dart as a zip file. So click on it, and little bit scroll down you can find the stable channel. Now from here you can see in the Windows tab there have a version of it which is 2.18. if it shows the higher version like 3 or 4 on whatever, so there have no any problem, you just need to see the stable channel. Okay, now from here you can see OS is Windows and architecture is 64-bit. So just click on this Dart SDK link, and you can see a prompt will appear. It will download a zip file, so click on save. I have already downloaded, so I just cancel it. Now after that open your file manager, and in the downloads tab you can see the Dart SDK, right? So just copy this file, and in the this PC open your C drive, and from here click on new and click a new folder and name as Dart SDK. Okay, and from here just paste the zip file of it. Now extract this file, extract this file by this extract here button. You can extract by your manually setup. I have already installed WinRAR, so this problem got solved. Now delete this zip file. Now click on this Dart SDK. Now click on this bin directory. You can see there have a path of this file, so just copy this path and paste into your notepad, right? Now what you need to do, just click on this PC button and right click and click on this properties button, click on this advanced system settings and click on environment variables. Now this is the main step you need to follow. The path whatever you copy, just copy this path, and in the environment variables you find this path tab. So now click on this edit, click on new and paste your path by Control V. Now click on OK, and in the main below menu you can see this path new tab. So click on this edit button and click on new and paste the path by Control V. Now click on OK, click on OK and click on OK. Now what you need to do, you just need to type here cmd and command prompt will open, right? If you using Windows 11, don't worry, process will be same to same. Okay, now click here and type Dart. You can see this message has appeared, so it means that your Dart has been successfully installed in your system. Now for editing code in the Dart you need a good text editor, right? And for it we generally use VS Code. If you know what is VS Code, VS Code basically a text editor for coding. So downloading this VS Code, just open your Chrome and search for VS Code, click on this first link, right? And from here you can download this download for Windows button, and it will download the binaries, and you can just double click on this button and your Visual Studio Code will be downloaded, right? Now question appears, how can you code into Dart? So for that, for the demo purpose, in the downloads tab I create a folder called, let's say, test Dart. Okay, so you can rename as you whatever you want. Now open your Visual Studio Code, and from the file click on this open folder button, and from the downloads select this test.dart folder, and it will open up the folder for you. Click on this yes trust button, and in the extension tab you need to install some types of extension. Okay, you can install Dart by searching Dart. It will install this Dart code verified extension, so just click on install button and it will easily install the extension for you. Okay, and also I used a new theme called Vasuki, so you can also try this theme, right? Is this is very fantastic theme, Vazuki dark theme, you can try. And you another extension you needed, which is run button for running the code, right? So click on this, just type run and install this. I'm sorry, install this extension, which is code runner, right, by Ju Hyun. So just install this extension. So if all this extension will be installed, just click on this plus icon to create a new file, and I create a new file as test.dart, and you can see a file got created. Now you need to do some types of tweaks here. Just click on this manage gear button and click on settings, and from here you need to type run in terminal. Okay, so run in terminal, I hope, yeah, run in terminal. And from here you need to just check this button, which is code runner run in terminal. So just check this box, and after that you can type a code here. So I just create a simple code, which is void main, and from here I can type, let's say, print, and I let's say type this is a simple dart code. Okay, now click on write and click on this run code button, and you can see the code will be run into our terminal, and you can see the message has appeared. Some issues may be, oh, I'm sorry, it's main, not mian. Okay, so just right click and click on this run code button, and you can see the output has here. You can also compile this file manually. How can you do that? Now for that I create another file called, let's say, test2.dart. Okay, now from here I just create another code. Okay, and I let's say create here var a equals to 9, and let's say I type print a type, and let's say I type print function and a dot runtime type. Okay, so you can see a simple code of dart is here. Now for compiling this thing I just need to open this folder, and in the upper corner I just need to type cmd dot, and it will open up cmd for us. Okay, now if I type dir, you can see this test.dart file. So for compiling this file you just need to type dart and test2.dart and click on this enter button. So as you can see the output is here. So in this way there are two way you can directly compile program from the VS Code, and you can also manually compile this program by using this command prompt, right? In this way you can do this. And the last surprise for you, if you practice dart, so you can also visit our website, which is microcodes.in. Okay, if you type in the Google for microcodes.in, it will open up this page for you, and from the learn tab you can see this dart/flutter. So click on it, and you can see there have all the necessary dart tutorial for you. You can click on this variables button, and you can read about the variables which available in dart, right? You can see how to write code, what will be the output of this program, and along with that you can see in the last section you got this download notes button. Now click on it, it will redirect into another page, and it will download the notes for you, right? So wait for a few seconds, and you can click on this download note button, and you can see a note will download it for you. You can just open up in your browser and you can study manually, right? So the lots of way you can learn Dart for free, and if you learn the Dart you can able to code on Flutter, and the Flutter can be used for many purposes nowadays, because it basically uses to create cross-platform application very easily from a single code base. You probably know, if you don't know about this, you can click on this basics introduction part. You can learn step by step about that, why you need to learn that and whatever, right? So if this video is helpful for you, please thumbs up on the like button. Okay. uh Thank you guys.